Yeah, they mailed it to me, okay? So that's all you need to know. So anyway, hey guys, welcome back. Hey subbies and hey newbies, that's anybody that might, maybe, perhaps be checking me out for the first time. Maybe not, maybe you peeked on out, then peeked in again. But no need to peekaboo any further. I just want you and my subbies to come on in. Okay, so we are going to get right to it. We are not going to dilly-dally. We are not going to fiddle-faddle. Okay. You read the title. You already set your clocks. Well, your mental clocks. Because we do this on the regular. We check in. Everybody say it with me. That's right. Every 4 weeks, we check in when we do our relaxer, and then we check in 4 weeks later to make sure everything is going well and nothing's going off the track. That way nothing slips by. There are no oopsies. There are no surprises as far as anything that may be happening and then we didn't check it in time enough. So 4 is the magic number around here. So this is going to be a length check. We are going to make sure everything is going right with my hair. So number 1, as far as the products, now I know all of you have checked out my other video. I just know it. I don't even have to ask, correct? Okay, but just in case we got some newbies that just sat down in the back and don't know what's going on, I tried out the Helichrysum shampoo by Theory. And I told you I was going to do some follow-ups with regard to that because it's been in my arsenal for a while, but I just tried it for the first time. And I love it, honey. I loved it when I tried it, and I have to say that I am still loving it. I used it. I have been using it because, like I said, sometimes when you use things for the first time, it's like, woo! And then as you use it more and more, it sort of fades, sort of like, meh. So I wanted to be sure that I wasn't going to hit the meh. I wanted to keep to the woo, or the woo-hoo of the whole experience. So with that being said, it is still holding up for me. What I like about the Helichrysum, again, just a quick review, is because it still gives me the bounce and the shine and everything that we like over here. So this is my, I think, 3rd week using it. I believe 2nd or 3rd, but I told you I was going to check in and let you know. So it's still a hit for me. So other than that, I haven't really done anything different. I like to stick to my staples around here because if it ain't broke, then there ain't nothing to fix. So with that being said, there's nothing else new. I didn't do anything else new with regard to my hair, so we're going to get right to it. We're going to get right to the meat and potatoes. We're going to get to the popcorn and soda, or whatever you like to drink. We're going to get to that part of the video. So I'm going to turn around, show you what I'm working with. Then we're going to come right back. Then I got another little tidbit for you. A little something that came in the mail. Just going to drop that on you. So after we do that, got a little tidbit, and then we're going to be out. So let's get right to it. that was it. Okay, so we did the whole show and tell. Well, I did the telling, then I did the showing. Now we back to telling. Like I said, my hair feels good. It seems like we're still moving along. Like I said, I tried the new shampoo, working for me. I did just a little dusting and just in different parts of my hair. I didn't even do a full dusting. I probably should, but I didn't even do a full one. I did a little bit in the back and a little on the side. Well, I guess that is everything. That is my whole head. So, okay, scratch that. I did do a full dusting and I cut my bangs. Out of my whole regimen, I think the bangs are the most labor intensive. I really do, because I like them a certain length, and then you got to separate it, make sure you don't put too much from the sides to the fronts, because I've done that. I've missed my mark as far as where I want to start and stop, and my landmarks on my head, so I can get the bangs just right. Anyway, it's coming along. I did my bangs, I did a little dusting, and yeah, I think I feel good. I feel good. So we are a little like we're in the middle of bra strap. So we're at the bra strap, but we're sort of in the middle right about now, okay, of the strap. Now I have to admit, I'm not using the same equipment. Okay, so for all those that are not familiar with the previous videos, I'm talking about yoo-hoo equipment. So I know that can affect, and we all know that, depending on what type of bra or what bra you're using or wearing, you know, that can affect the tally of where your hair is. Because on one bra or one piece of equipment, it could be one place, and another it could be a little off. So I'm just going to say that we're moving along the strap of the equipment. Okay, so we're still there. Okay, we're still at BSL. So, and our goal, just in case, again, anybody who doesn't know wants to catch up, our goal is I want to be at mid back. I think that's enough for me. I don't need hip and back of the knee and ankle, and I don't need all that. I think mid back would be good for me. So we get into mid back, which is past BSL. So we're trying to get to MBL. So with that being said, that we're marching along. I don't see anything going off the track with regard to that. And, you know, the weather's been kind of out here. It's been raining and cloudy and foggy. It's been kind of meh around here. So my hair's been a little flat. You know, when the weather don't cooperate, it just, you know, it sort of messes with your zhuzh, okay? So I'm hoping that it didn't mess too much with my zhuzh today. And on top of that, you know, I've been using the ceramic blow iron. Woo! I've been using the ceramic blow dryer. And so that sort of lays your hair down more as well, as opposed to a regular blow dryer. So with that and the ceramic iron and the humidity and the mist and the fog and this and that, my hair is a little flatter. I've noticed the past couple of days it's just a little flatter, which, you know, we like fluff around here. We don't like flat. We like fluff. So anyway, I still wanted to come in here and show y'all what I was working with, because we keep a schedule around up in here, and this is what we do. So there's that. Yeah, so that is the synopsis with my hair. And now I wanted to show y'all something really quickly. We got mail. 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 We got some mail up in this piece. I need a bell or something. This is, I believe this is PR. So this is PR from Mazzani. The nice folks at Mazzani sent me a package. I didn't even open it yet because I want to open it with all of you for the very first time. When I do this, I'm going to show you what they sent and all this other stuff. And this is not, they didn't send this for me to do a video review. That's up to me. They just wanted me to try the products and introduce the products to me. So, with that being said, I want to thank the lovely people at Mizani for even thinking of me. I do appreciate that. And we will go over what's in this box very soon. But I wanted to give that to you guys. Mizani is a very well-known company. They specialize in products for textured hair. Just like Cara Care, Mizani is that company as well. As far as they've been around for a long time, they have a lot of products that they offer underneath their umbrella. And yeah, this will be good just to go over. And some of you guys may even be familiar with the products, not only the company, but maybe the products. This may be something new, I believe. So again, we're going to go over it. But I just wanted to give you a heads up that, honey, we done made it. We are on a PR list. Okay? So we are doing it up in this. So anyway, that's going to be very exciting. We're going to go over that. And yeah, so now we are getting to the portion of the video. I am opening up the floor. I am turning on the mic and turning it on all of y'all, because I done already showed you what I was working with. But it is now time for roll call honey. Well, it's not called roll call honey, but it is called roll call. It is roll call time. And what is roll call time? Roll call time is the opportunity for all of you to tell me and everyone else what is going on with your hair. Did you cut it? Is it growing? Are your products working for you? Because you know we're all about the regimen over here. Honey, we are waiting with bated breath, and we want to know all of your business. Well, all of your hair business, okay? We don't need to know about Pookie and them and what happened last night. We don't need to know all of that. We just want to know about your hair business and what's going on with the business of your hair. So, if you are so inclined, please take the mic and let us know down below what is going on with your crown. So, I think we can put a button on it. What do you think? I think so. So, that wasn't too bad, right? We were in and out, okay? I want to thank you so much for dialing in and showing up. I really do appreciate it. I really do. I really do. And yeah, we'll be back talking about some more stuff. We got a lot of stuff on the list. We got PR. We got PR that we're going to go over. Girl, things are happening all over the place over here. So you gotta come back for that. So you already know. It's going to be the same Dolce dial. It's going to be the same Dolce channel. So you come on back.